What's going on, co-rollers? This is Po' Boy coming at you. Today we're going to be working again on Ugly Betty. We got the driver's side door that we're going to start fiberglassing for the mold on it. So if you're new to the channel, welcome to Po' Boy's Diesel. Let's get started. Alright, boys and girls, so welcome to the channel once again. I'm Po' Boy. If this is your first time coming to the channel, this is Po' Boy's Diesel. Over here we kind of dedicate to doing a lot of diesel stuff, especially right now we're dealing with the Ford products, you know, the Power Stroke. And we're actually building a full race F350 pickup truck that we'll be doing a Pro Mod setup. Sorry for the wind noise from the fan. And today we're actually continuing on the project of making the fiberglass parts, and we're working here on the driver's side door, the mold that we're making. And yeah, I think I'm gonna cut it there for now and let's get started. See you in a bit.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubts, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now. It doesn't really matter. It doesn't really matter.
Alright, co-rollers, so we're back inside, all cleaned up, feeling fresh and good. As you guys were able to see, we went ahead and did the mold for the driver's side door, the outer part, you know, the outer skin of the door. On our next video, we'll probably be going towards the inner part of the door, or I may start on the passenger side bedside. Due to the fact that I'm trying to get both of the molds for the bedside, since I have a friend that needs a little bit of help, and I want to have them available so I could help him create some parts for his truck as well. So I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I know this was a real short one. I did a lot of time lapse. I didn't want to do a lot of talking, but I just wanted to say thank you, and get ready, guys, because I think and I pray that in this video we're actually going to reach our 1,000 subscriber goal. I am so stoked, so happy, and so thankful for you guys. I wouldn't have been able to do it without you. You know, you guys are the channel, and that's what counts so much for me. It means a whole lot in our hearts. So thank you once again. I love you. God bless you, and let the coal roll.